Hi everyone, today we're going to be clamping down some wires. We're going to be adding our rear exhaust and also laying in a trunk panel. Alright, so I have my neighbors Bob and Larissa come over and got the full exhaust pipe in, which circles around the back end, comes over, and has some really nice tips on the back. And so I was able to lock that all in. You can see that the whole exhaust system is just really nice stuff. And so it's all locked in. And then also, you saw earlier, I locked in my cables and got them with plenty of clearance. So I think we're possibly ready to install this back wall here. And then that will allow me to install that. And now another thing is there's a panel that goes from there all the way to there, kind of encapsulates the gas tank. But there's no way of getting that panel on with the body of the car on, so I gotta wait till later. However, I think I'm ready to dial this panel in, lock it in, and now that I got all the wiring underneath taken care of, I got the exhaust taken care of, I don't necessarily need to get my hands in there, and if so, you know, I got these holes where I could do that. And then the very bottom panel I'm going to leave open because that actually not only mounts to this back part of the fiberglass, but it also kind of glues in, and so I think I'm just going to leave that open for now and you know, put a few miles on this thing and get this thing kind of all troubleshooted, tech supported out, if you will. So I kind of have it with the Clecos right now, but pretty soon I think we're gonna lock that in. So we're getting close. I tried working on the dash and actually getting the I was going to permanently install the clips that are going to hold this dash in place. However, behind the steering wheel with all the brake lines and stuff, it's really hard to get in there, so I'm not sure if I'm going to do it that way or if I'm going to change my brackets. I'm fine with the stuff that I glued onto the dash itself, that's no problem, but the way I'm going to actually do the other brackets, I'm not sure if I'm going to do it the way I did it. So I'm going to actually talk to my friend Greg about that because he's done a bunch of this stuff.